Okay, so let us see how much we have done for the term 2 syllabus. See, this is the term 2 syllabus. From here, the term 2 syllabus is being started, and we have covered the list, basic functions of list we have done, basic functions of tuples we have done, and basic functions of dictionary have we done. I think dictionary haven't we done, right? We
No,
have
ma'am.
done the list and the tuples. Okay. So before going further, we will do some programs on list and tuples, and for that you have to remember. You have to remember what the functions, what the purpose of these functions in the syllabus. Okay. So I think you remembered all of them, but again I am just telling the name of the function and what are their purposes. I am just telling one by one line. If you know, you can tell me that also. Okay, so we are going for the list. At first, tell me what is the differences between list and tuple. Let us do a revision at first, then we will go for the further programming. लिस्ट और टपल्स के अंदर डिफरेंसेस क्या था, किसी को याद है? मेन डिफरेंस बिटवीन लिस्ट एंड टपल. Okay, at first tell me which bracket was being used for list. Which type of bracket was being used for list? List क्या था?
Ma'am, third bracket.
हाँ, third bracket. Okay, and for tuple?
Ma'am, first.
Okay, and can we store multiple values in a list or only a single value is allowed?
Ma'am, multiple.
Multiple values we can store. Okay, so that is same for the tuple also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then what is the difference between the list and the tuple?
Ma'am,
लिस्ट और टपल के अंदर
ma'am,
हाँ बताओ.
one can be ma'am mutable. Ma'am, list is mutable, but the tuples are non-mutable.
Very good. Now, can you define the mutability and immutability concept?
Ma'am, mutable means which can be changed.
Okay, whose value can be changed.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
And
And what is the definition of immutability?
ma'am, the values which cannot be changed.
Okay. हाँ बताइए. सेट कर लीजिए ना, रिसेट कर लीजिए सेटिंग्स में जाके. एक मिनट होल्ड करो. यहाँ पे तो मीट लिंक जनरेट ही नहीं है. नया क्लास है क्या? Okay. So list is mutable and tuple is immutable. Okay. Then tell me what was the function, what was the property of this len function? Len function का property क्या था? क्या करते थे हम len function लेके? बताओ. len function का काम क्या था?
मैम लेंथ
डिटरमाइन करना.
Length calculation करना, right? Number of elements, it will calculate the number of elements. Do you remember the purpose of the list function? What was the purpose of this list function? Do you remember that?
Ma'am, it converted whole of the string into the list.
Okay, we can use this list function to do a type casting, right? From any other data type to list conversion. और एक काम है list function का, that is if you want to create a list, for that also you can use the list function. For example, you can create a list by just writing L equals to, then within third bracket some elements separated by commas. That also can be done. And another way is you can use the list function also for creating a list. Okay, so list function दो तरह से काम आ सकता है. One is for creating a list from the scratch, and the other one is if you want, you can convert the data type from some other data type to list using the list function. Okay, then what was the function of, what was the purpose of append function? Append function का काम क्या था?
To add something on
Spelling.
the list.
हाँ बताओ बताओ.
To add something on the list.
To add something on the list on which position?
Last.
At the last, right. Now, what was the purpose of extend function?
Ma'am, to add multiple elements.
To add multiple elements at the end of the list, right. Append function क्या करता है? Only one element can be added, and in the extend function the list will be extended with multiple elements. Okay, then what was the function of the insert function?
Ma'am, to insert any value.
Any value in which position?
Ma'am, the given position means.
The position will also be given, right. What was the purpose of count function?
To count the number of elements in the given provided
Right,
list.
the argument will be given and you can count the number of elements, right. What was the purpose of index function?
Ma'am, it determined to how much value we have to go.
It gives the index of a certain element. A particular element will be given as an argument, and at which index the element is present in the list, it will give that. Okay. What was the purpose of remove function?
Ma'am, the remove function will remove the means occurrence, means the first occurrence. Yes, ma'am.
First occurrence of the given element, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What is the difference between the pop function and the remove function? पॉप फंक्शन और रिमूव फंक्शन के अंदर डिफरेंस क्या है?
मैम पॉप फंक्शन स्पेसिफाइड पोजीशन से रिमूव करता है और
And if you are not giving any position, then what the pop function will do? If you are not giving any position, then what the pop function will
Ma'am,
do?
it will by default means pop the last element.
It will by default pop the last element, right? Then reverse function. What the reverse function will do?
Ma'am, if we use the reverse function, it will means the last element will comes the first, and the first element will go into the last.
Okay. Actually, the एक minute रुको. The electricity has been off in school. Okay. थोड़ा सा रुको. Okay, then what was the purpose of the sort function?
Ma'am, it will means arrange the given list in ascending or descending order.
Okay. Then how can you sort a given list in descending order? Do you remember?
Yes,
By
ma'am.
default, it will be in ascending order, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
how can you sort a list in descending order?
Ma'am, I have to tell the whole means that print whole or only the function.
Only the function.
Ma'am, it will be first T1 dot sort, then first bracket, then reverse equal to true. Then it will be
Right.
automatically.
Okay. Can you tell me the purpose of the sorted method? Sorted method actually I have skipped. I haven't done in class. But seeing the name, can you imagine what can be its purpose? Okay, let me tell. It will determine whether a list is sorted or not. If the list is sorted, then it will give you true. Otherwise, it will give you false. Okay. What was the function of the? What was the purpose of the min function? Min, M-I-N.
And to print the minimum value.
Print the minimum value in the list. Max function.
Maximum value.
Get the maximum value in the list.
Print the maximum value, right? And the sum function. What was the function of the sum function? Anyone?
Ma'am, to print the sum of the values.
Print the sum of all the elements, right? So these
Ma'am,
were
then what
the
is
total functions.
ma'am, then what is
हाँ बताओ.
concatenation?
What is
Concatenation.
concatenation? What is the difference between the sum function and the concatenation function? Is this your question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can anybody give the answer to him? What is the difference between sum function and the concatenation function? Can anybody give the answer? Concatenation का मतलब क्या है बताओ तो? Can anybody tell me what is the meaning of concatenation?
Ma'am, if a specified number is given in the list, it will go on adding it.
Right. Adding matlab it will put the elements inside the list. Right. It will
Yes.
put the element and putting the elements. Do you understand? Summation means add karna. It will give you the total result. For example, if you have a single, for the first thing is for executing the sum function, you will need only a single list. Only one list will be required, and whatever the elements inside the list, for example, say in the list L1, you have the elements 1, 2, 3. Then it will give the total sum of all the elements. Means 3 plus 2 plus 1 करके total जो होगा, means 6 will be the output. This will be the output of the sum function, SUM, sum function. And when you are concatenating two lists, then list minimum. Say one is L1, 1, 2, 3, other one is L2, 4, 5, 6. Then the concatenated list, if we keep the concatenated list in L3, then the value of the L3 will be another list that will contain all the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These two things are totally different. Some will add the values of all elements, and concatenation will just put two lists together. Got it, everybody? What was the operator
Yes,
used
ma'am.
for concatenation? What was the operator used for concatenation? दो लिस्ट concatenate करने के लिए ऑपरेटर क्या यूज होता था? Anyone? Very simple.
Plus.
Right. Plus operator was used for concatenating two lists. Okay. So we have recap all the functions on list, and we know that most of the functions are same with tuple also. Only the value changing whenever you want to change the value inside the list, that portion will not work with the tuple. And otherwise, all the functions same will work with tuple in the same way. Okay. So there is no difference, only no value changing is permitted inside a tuple. If you want to change a value inside a tuple, you have to create another tuple. You have to update all the things, then you have to put the updated value inside another tuple. This is only the way. Okay. So now we will do some programmings on list and tuple. And you can do all these programmings only if you remember the functions. Okay. So see what programmings we are going to do now. We will do the syllabus part at first, then we will go for the further programmings. See, in the practical list, we are first thing what? Find the largest number inside the list or tuple, largest or smallest. Okay, so we will do something with this. Okay, so let's go for it. We will do the first program as input some numbers. Okay, all of you are carrying classwork copies? All of you are carrying classwork copies? It is mandatory to carry
Yes,
the
ma'am.
classwork copy with all of you.
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
day I will tell you to put your videos on and you have to show me the classwork copy. ठीक है? और किसी भी दिन मैं क्लासवर्क कॉपी का वो पीडीएफ भी मांग सकती हूँ तुम लोगों से. ओके, सो यू हैव टू कीप इट रेडी ईच एंड एवरी डे. So the first thing you will do in your classwork copy, I think all of you have written the tuple and the list programming I have done in the previous classes. वो मैं classwork copy में लिखने के लिए बोली थी. Everybody have done that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this thing should be written in the term to classwork copy in the first pages. List का जो programming मैंने करवाया था पिछले class में, उसका पूरा detailing, all the whole program will be there. And for each and every, beside the each and every function, whenever you are executing, the output will be there. If you haven't written till now, you can have the output from here. I am showing that also. Here, tuple in Python. Here you have the Python program. Okay, जो मैंने इस वीडियो में यूज किया था. अगर भूल भी गए हो, ये वीडियो देख लोगे, पूरा याद आ जाएगा. अगर कॉपी में नहीं लिखे हो पाइथन प्रोग्राम, यू कैन हैव फ्रॉम हियर. ओके, लिस्ट इन पाइथन, पूरा प्रोग्राम का डिस्क्रिप्शन यहाँ पे है. लिस्ट का जो फंक्शंस मैंने करवाया था वो यहाँ पे है. सो दीज टू थिंग्स विल बी फर्स्टली रिटन इन योर क्लासवर्क कॉपी. इसका पीडीएफ मैं एक असाइनमेंट कर दूंगी. उसका पीडीएफ लिखने के बाद उसका पीडीएफ करके उस असाइनमेंट में भेजना होगा. आज ही मैं एक असाइनमेंट कर दूंगी, 2-3 दिन में इन दोनों का पीडीएफ तुम लोग करके भेज दोगे असाइनमेंट में. गॉट इट एवरीबॉडी? समझ में आया है क्या करना है? कॉपी में लिखना है फंक्शंस, फंक्शंस के पास में आउटपुट होगा कमेंट में, और पीडीएफ करके यू हैव टू शेयर. आई विल मेक एन असाइनमेंट. अभी मैं असाइनमेंट कर देती हूँ यहाँ पे.
मैम सिर्फ लिस्ट का ही ना?
लिस्ट और टपल दोनों का.
मैम टपल कंप्लीट हो गया था?
हाँ, वीडियो भी दिया हुआ है. देखो यहाँ पे क्लासरूम में जाओ, वहां पे वीडियो भी दिया हुआ है. टपल का पूरा वीडियो, लिस्ट का पूरा वीडियो. स्लाइसिंग बाकी था, स्लाइसिंग नहीं लिखना है, ओनली द फंक्शंस.
यस मैम, टपल में थोड़ा सा
टपल का स्लाइसिंग हाँ, लास्ट में 2-3 लाइन का स्लाइसिंग था, वो छोड़ के बाकी करना है. ठीक है, ऑल द फंक्शंस हैज बीन कंप्लीटेड, वो फंक्शंस लिखना है. ओके, ठीक है. दिस इज योर असाइनमेंट. ड्यू डेट मैं दे दी हूँ फ्राइडे का. विद इन फ्राइडे यू हैव टू डू दिस.
मैम लिस्ट में कोई ई नंबरिंग करके भी
So
फंक्शन होता
let
है
us
क्या?
do this program.
I have a question
E
actually.
numbering.
यस मैम.
हाँ बताओ. ई नंबरिंग आई डोंट रिमेम्बर ना. मुझे तो याद नहीं आ रहा ई नंबरिंग बोल के कोई फंक्शन किया था या नहीं. देखना पड़ेगा थोड़ा. हाँ बताओ. somebody else was
I mean,
asking
pop
something.
function.
हाँ
Yes, yes,
आयशी
I
बताओ.
will.
आयशी बताओ.
I mean, pop function.
हाँ.
How to use the specified value? Actually, I forgot it actually.
in pop function, sorry और एक बार बताओ.
In pop function,
how to use a
specify
specific
this?
index.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I am showing you that. See, here we have done this code. Here is a list whose elements are strings. So list 0 is containing Python, 1 is containing Java, 2 is containing C++, 3 is containing French, 4 is containing C. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now we are popping the element 3. Third element we are popping. We are specifying the index. In the pop function, we will specify the index. So this was the original list and we will see the returned value. That means what the function is being returned after popping the third element. So let's see. See, it is returning Python, Java, C++, and C. It is returning the French. That means it is removing the French function from the French value from the list because it was in the third position. See, 0, 1, 2, 3. Third position का जो element था, it is removing that one. So in this way, we will specify the particular index. You got it?
Okay.
Anybody have any other doubt in this list and tuple? You may ask before we are starting some other programs. अगर कोई और in a list and find the maximum element or maximum value. Okay, so this is the program. So what we will do at first? What we will do, what we need to do at first? बताओ पहले क्या करना है हमें? At first, what do we need to do? यहाँ पे for do
We
this
have to
program,
input one
all
list.
of you have got the question, right? We have to input some elements in a list, right? So let us take a list of 5 elements we are going to create. We can take the length of the list from the user also, but we are not doing that generalization right now. पहले हम क्या करेंगे, एक blank list create कर लेंगे ऐसे. L equals to list first bracket open close, that means it will create a blank list. Now we are going to input 5 elements inside the list. So for I in range 5. Okay. Then we are inputting some elements. Integer कर लेते हैं because we have to compare the values. So for that we have to have the integral value of that number. Okay. Then we are going to append the number inside the list. Okay. So क्या होगा? Each and every time the number will be inputted and it will be appended at the end of the list. तो क्या होगा? 5 साइज का एक लिस्ट हमारा क्रिएट हो जाएगा. एट फर्स्ट हम क्या करते हैं, लिस्ट को हम प्रिंट कर लेते हैं, देख लेते हैं whether we are doing the correct thing or not. See, the list has been created. यहाँ तक हमने कर लिया. अब हमें क्या करना है, we have to find the maximum element from the list. तो maximum element find करने के लिए which function we are going to use? Which function? कौन सा function हम maximum element के लिए किए थे, याद है? अभी अभी बताया हो तुम लोग. Max function. See, जब भी तुम लोग भूल जाओगे, you can go to this program that has been given in your classroom. अगर कुछ भी फंक्शन भूल गए हो, you can have the function from here. देखो यहाँ पे max, you can have this. Okay, in this way you can remember all the functions. So we are going to use the max function from here. N equals to max L. As simple as that. So what will be the output? Got it? Everybody understood how easy it is to work with a list? Everybody understood this code, yes or no? Everybody understood this code?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, let me change the code in this way. Input some numbers in a list and find the difference between maximum and minimum value. Then what will you do? If the question is like this, input some elements in a list and find the difference between the maximum and minimum value, then what will you do? बताओ क्या करोगे यहाँ पे? We have collected the maximum value. We know how to collect the maximum value. Now we want to do this program. Input some numbers in a list and find the difference between the maximum and minimum value. So what changes we have to do in this program to do this? बताओ क्या करेंगे डिफरेंस बिटवीन मैक्सिमम एंड मिनिमम वैल्यू करने के लिए? इज द कोड इज विजिबल टू ऑल ऑफ यू? कोड सबको दिख रहा है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. तो इट इज वेरी इजी ना, हम लोग ने तो मैक्सिमम नंबर हमने निकाल लिया है, तो हमें क्या करना होगा, मैक्सिमम नंबर और मिनिमम नंबर के डिफरेंस चाहिए, तो हमें क्या करना है, मिनिमम नंबर भी निकालना है ना। सो हाउ कैन वी कैलकुलेट द मिनिमम नंबर, मिनिमम नंबर कैसे कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं लिस्ट से? बताओ।
मिनिमम फंक्शन
मैक्सिमम
अप्लाई
नंबर
कर।
अगर कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, हाँ मिनिमम, इतना टाइम क्यों लग रहा है, ये तो सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है ना, इतना टाइम क्यों लग रहा है इसको आंसर करने में? So it is the maximum function. Then in another variable we will calculate the minimum number. mn में रखते हैं, m में max और mn में min, minimum value of list, ठीक है। अब डिफरेंस बिटवीन मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम वैल्यू कैसे करेंगे, डिफरेंस बिटवीन मैक्सिमम एंड मिनिमम वैल्यू कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे बताओ?
प्रिंट m माइनस mn।
राइट, सो वी विल कैलकुलेट डायरेक्टली, हम प्रिंट भी नहीं करेंगे, एक वेरिएबल में कैलकुलेट करके रख लेंगे, डी के अंदर m माइनस mn करके रख लेंगे, देन वी विल प्रिंट। इसको बोला जाता है, इसका एक डेफिनेशन है, डिफरेंस बिटवीन मैक्सिमम एंड मिनिमम नंबर, इसको बोला जाता है रेंज, ठीक है। फाइंड द रेंज ऑफ द लिस्ट, रेंज अगर बोला जाए देन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड ऑटोमेटिकली द डिफरेंस बिटवीन maximum and minimum number. Okay, range of the list. So here we will print let us execute this. Oh, here we have to by mistake sign पड़ गया है। So this is number 7 and this is 364, सब कुछ है, ये कोड को सब लोग लिख लो, everybody copy this code in your class or copy। अगर पहले वो list और I am giving you 2 minutes time, code with the output, write it down। After writing the code, you may leave the class। I am stopping the recording here।
मैम यहाँ पर आपने